Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve the issue unable to uninstall Riot Client. Before uninstalling Riot Client, you will first need to uninstall any Riot games that are installed on your machine. So the reason why we are getting this error is because we are trying to uninstall Riot Client first and it's throwing this error. So to solve this, it has itself given the solution. First we need to uninstall any Riot games, then we need to uninstall Riot Client. So in my case, I am having here Valorant, which is a Riot Client. In case if you are having any other Riot game, let's say League of Legends and stuff, you need to uninstall that game first and then only Riot Client. So first let me click on Valorant and select uninstall. This has been uninstalled. Click on done. Once this is done, we will be having Riot Client. Right click and uninstall. Select yes, and this time, as you can see, it's not throwing any errors. If I click on done, it is gone from my programs and features. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.